Many foreign investors spend years building assets in Vietnam, a successful company, a valuable property portfolio, investments, savings, business interests. But here is a question many investors never ask. What happens to those assets if something unexpected happens? A sudden illness, a family dispute, a business conflict, or the loss of the person who created the wealth. Without proper estate planning, millions of dollars in assets can become trapped in complicated legal procedures, ownership disputes, or family conflicts. For foreign investors in Vietnam, building wealth is only half the journey. Protecting that wealth is the other half. Today, we will discuss 5 estate planning mistakes that could create serious risks for foreign investors. One of the most common mistakes foreign investors make is assuming that documents prepared in their home country automatically solve every issue in Vietnam. Many investors have wills, trusts, or inheritance arrangements overseas. However, assets located in Vietnam may involve Vietnamese legal requirements. This is especially important for real estate, shares in Vietnamese companies, business interests, and other locally registered assets. Without proper coordination between international planning and Vietnamese legal requirements, your family may face unexpected difficulties when trying to access or transfer those assets. Estate planning for foreign investors must consider where the assets are located, not only where the owner lives. Some foreign investors use nominee arrangements in Vietnam, a Vietnamese friend, a partner, a family member, or another trusted person. The arrangement may appear practical, especially when ownership restrictions or administrative challenges exist. But this creates significant risks. The person registered as the owner may have legal rights recognized by authorities. If relationships change, disputes arise, or the nominee refuses to cooperate, recovering control of the asset can become extremely difficult. Many investors think, "We trust this person," but estate planning requires a different mindset. Trust is important, legal protection is essential. Many foreign entrepreneurs focus on growing their businesses. They think about revenue, expansion, employees, customers, investment opportunities. But they forget one important question: what happens to the business if the founder is no longer able to manage it? For foreign investors owning companies in Vietnam, succession planning is critical. It may involve ownership transfer, share inheritance, management authority, corporate governance, and continuity planning. Without preparation, a successful company can face uncertainty at exactly the moment when stability is most needed. Another common mistake is failing to regularly review how assets are owned. Many investors acquire assets at different stages of their lives. A property purchased years ago, shares acquired during company formation, investments made through different structures. Over time, circumstances change: marriage, divorce, new family members, business expansion, relocation. An ownership structure that worked in the past may create problems in the future. Regular legal review helps ensure that your assets remain aligned with your current objectives. Perhaps the biggest estate planning mistake is waiting. Many people think estate planning is something to consider later, when they are older, when they have more assets, when there is a problem. But legal planning is most valuable before uncertainty appears. Once disputes begin, options may become limited, family members may disagree, documents may be incomplete. Assets may become difficult to access. The best time to protect your assets is before you need protection. At LTS Law, we assist foreign investors, entrepreneurs, and expatriates with estate planning and asset protection strategies in Vietnam. Our services include reviewing ownership structures, assessing property and business risks, advising on inheritance matters, preparing legal documents, evaluating nominee arrangements, and developing practical solutions for long-term asset protection. We understand that foreign investors often have complex situations involving multiple countries, different legal systems, and valuable assets. Our goal is to provide clarity and protection. Many people think estate planning is only about what happens after death. That is incomplete. Estate planning is also about protecting your assets during your lifetime. It helps you maintain control, reduce uncertainty, prevent disputes, and ensure your intentions are properly documented. For investors, entrepreneurs, and business owners, this is a strategic decision, not simply a personal matter. Experienced investors understand one principle: creating wealth requires strategy, protecting wealth requires another strategy. The same discipline used to build a business should also be applied to protecting the value created. Estate planning is not about expecting problems, it is about being prepared for possibilities. Your assets represent years of work, investment, and dedication. Do not allow poor planning to put them at risk. If you own property, operate a business, or hold investments in Vietnam, professional estate planning can help protect what you have built. Contact LTS Law for advice on asset protection, inheritance planning, nominee risks, and cross-border legal matters. Because building wealth is important, but ensuring that wealth is protected for the future is what creates lasting value.